Today we're launching the Hyundai Alcazar, which is replacing the Grand Creta in our lineup, which is our 7-seater SUV.
The drive has actually been pretty good. I'm liking the automatic gearbox. The 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine is pretty strong, 85 kilowatts. It sounds not like a lot on paper, but it's got a lot of pull. What I noticed also is that it's pretty frugal. Actually, I think we're averaging about 5.4 liters per 100 at the moment, which gives you a range of about 700 odd kilometers. So it's actually pretty strong.
My first impressions of the Alcazar is it's a great family car. Obviously, it's a 7-seater, lots of space in it, good value for money, fantastic warranty, 7-year, 200,000 Ks. I think if somebody's looking for something that's not too flashy, the styling is a bit quirky, to say the least.
It's got great build quality. Typically, Hyundai reliability is going to be there. We know this from Hyundai as well. New design, comfortable interior, some nice new interior features. There's a lot going for this car. What's also great is that they've managed to add a few additional features while keeping the prices almost the same in some cases as the Grand Creta.
The car's pretty attractive. I like the grille, pretty strong. I like the H LED lights, very nice design. And I like the fact that they actually didn't call it Grand Creta like they had planned to. Alcazar, I think, it's an interesting name, quite exotic.
I like the fact that it's coming in a diesel, as well as a 2-liter petrol, and simple technology. Not overcomplicated like some of the competitors, which have got too many fiddly little buttons everywhere. It's a really great offering, I think, from Hyundai.
The target market for the Alcazar is families. 2-3 kids, because you got the option of the 7 seats. Window curtain on the rear, doors on the Elite to keep out the sun. Perfect vehicle for them. So the model is available immediately. We have stock in the dealer network. And it starts with a 2-liter executive at $499,900. Again, very good value. It's in amidst the sort of middle SUV price range. A lot of competitors there, but we stand out in terms of features and quality. Then the diesel exec is $599,900, and the diesel elite is $666,000.
Hyundai offers great value. It offers good reliability at the price.
I think it's going to do very well. The Hyundai brand is very strong in South Africa. I think they're in the top 5 at the moment. And they do have a lot of customers. They sell about 10,000 cars every sort of 6 months.
So our big launch for the year, which you can look forward to, is the new Santa Fe. A very good looking vehicle. Very different to the current one, and very, I think they're going a lot more square, bold, and it will be our first hybrid that we launch.